Hello, young folks. This is Mr. Tolbert's class. And we're going to for this lesson, we're just going to quickly talk about this atomic structure practice that we're going to do. For this, you will need this atomic structure practice on Schoology. You will also need uh, a copy of the periodic table, which you also have. If you notice at the end of this particular assignment here, you have a periodic table with pictures I thought was cool. Also, just the regular periodic table, and you just have to view it. So you're going to, as we typically do, copy this information all the way down, and then you're going to paste it. You have a submissions button over here. You click it, open Create right here, if there was one right here, and then paste it right in there, and then you'll be able to get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and start by talking about what we have here. So here we have lithium. You're going to record the number of protons, record the number of neutrons, number of electrons, the mass number versus the atomic number. So I'm going to use my periodic table, find lithium. Here's lithium here. The atomic number for lithium is 3, which means it has 3 protons. Okay, and when it's electrically balanced, and then when yes, the number of protons it typically have most likely would be 3. But here's the deal. Notice the mass number right here. This mass number happens to be 6.9. And in the assignment, I ask you to round up to the nearest number. So you're going to go to 7. Okay, you want a whole number there. That way you don't have half of a proton or half of a neutron. So if I move this up to 7, and I say 3 of those are protons, the rest of those are going to be neutrons. So 3 are protons, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 would go right here. Protons would be a number 3. You put a number 3 here. 4 would be the number of neutrons. If it's electrically balanced, it would be the same as the number of same as the number of electrons. So if it's got 3 protons, it'll have 3 electrons. And then the mass number that we used in order to discover how many neutrons it has was 6.9, but I'm going to move that up to 7. And of course, the atomic number being 3.